World traveling tips. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. World traveling, also known as international travel, is the act of visiting different countries and cultures around the world. It can be for leisure, business, education, or other purposes. Traveling allows individuals to broaden their horizons, experience different cultures, try new foods, and make new friends. International travel can be done by various means, such as by plane, train, car, bus, or boat. Depending on the destination and purpose of the trip, travelers may need to obtain visas, passports, and other travel documents. It is also important to research the local customs, laws, and regulations of the countries being visited. In recent years, world traveling has become more accessible and affordable due to advancements in transportation and technology. However, it is also important to consider the environmental impact of traveling and to be responsible tourists by minimizing our carbon footprint and respecting the cultures and environments we visit. Sure, world traveling is an incredible way to explore the world, learn about different cultures, and gain new perspectives on life. It can be a life-changing experience that allows us to step outside of our comfort zones and challenge our assumptions about the world. One of the benefits of world traveling is the opportunity to learn about different cultures. By experiencing different languages, foods, customs, and traditions, we gain a deeper understanding of how people live around the world. This can help us appreciate diversity and become more open-minded and tolerant individuals. World traveling can also be a way to pursue educational or career opportunities. For example, students may study abroad to learn a new language or gain international experience, while professionals may travel for conferences, meetings, or work assignments. These experiences can provide valuable skills and knowledge that can enhance future career prospects. However, it is important to approach world traveling responsibly. Travel can have a significant impact on the environment, and it is important to minimize our carbon footprint by using sustainable transportation and accommodations, reducing waste, and supporting local businesses. Additionally, it is crucial to be respectful of the cultures and customs of the places we visit, and to avoid perpetuating harmful stereotypes or cultural appropriation. In summary, world traveling can be an incredible way to broaden our horizons and gain new perspectives, but it is important to approach it responsibly and with respect for the cultures and environments we encounter. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.